Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to fix Finder not responding on your Mac. If the Finder is not responding, you may want to first try to close it and reopen it. To do it, either hold down on Option button on your keyboard, then double click on the Finder. Then you can click on Relaunch. You can now release the Option button and it will relaunch Finder. If this doesn't help you, then go to the Activity Monitor, which you can open by clicking on Command Space, then typing in Activity Monitor and clicking on Enter. Then go to CPU and find Finder. Then click on it. Click on it once and click on this button. Then click on Force Quit. And now it will reopen it and should work. And if it still doesn't work, there's two more things you can do. Either click on the Apple logo in top left corner, then click on Logout. Now make sure this is unchecked so it will not reopen Windows when logging back in, and click on Logout, then log back in and it should open the Finder fine. And if it still doesn't work, go to the Apple logo in top left corner and click on Restart. Then also make sure this is unchecked and click on Restart. And now it should work. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.